Hi Paul, when did you get back?
Last night about 10 o'clock.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had great time. I went well watching Tuesday the Opera House and I sat on the beach. แล้วก็ Wow, that sounds great. How did you get there by plane?
No, I don't.
No.
No.
Really, that's a long drive from Melbourne. Did you stop on the way?
Yes, I stopped in Canberra for one night.
Where did you stay?
Well, I have some family there, so I stayed with them. They show me around. It was really good fun. How about you, Megan? Did you have a good holiday?
No, I had a boring time at home. I just watching film and ate junk food.